At Building Information Modeling PVD Limited, we don't just model structures, we build trust through precision and performance. With over 16 years of proven expertise, our team has successfully delivered more than 2,400 BIM projects across the globe. Our structural 4D BIM modeling services empower clients with detailed, time-integrated models that enhance scheduling, sequencing, and on-site coordination. Whether it's HVAC systems or complex MEP frameworks, our experienced engineers are ready to take on any challenge, no matter the scale. Every component is modeled with accuracy, ensuring smoother workflows, fewer delays, and reliable construction outcomes. From design validation to clash-free detailing, we bring clarity to every layer of your project. Clients benefit from reduced rework, cost efficiency, and faster decision-making. And that's exactly why we're the preferred BIM partner for engineering firms, contractors, and developers worldwide. Building Information Modeling PV Limited, shaping structures, empowering progress, delivering certainty.